Geometric isomerism is also known as cis-trans isomerism, and such type of isomerism is due to restriction in rotation about double bond or about single bond in cyclic compound. Here is the example of 2-butene. This one is the cis-butene and this one is the trans-butene. In these two structure can be explained by this model. This is cis-butene and this one is trans-butene. So difference between these two structure is, in this case there is no rotation about these two bond. Between these two carbon there is double bond, so no rotation between these two carbons, so geometric isomerism occur. And in this cis butene, carbon first and fourth are on the same side, have more repulsion between, so there is the more cis steric repulsion between or steric strain between those carbon, so this is less stable cis type. And this one is trans butene, there is double bond between these two carbon and these methyl group are on the opposite side. This is the trans butene geometrical isomerism. So this cis and trans have chemical formula same but different in geometric structure. That's why there is isomerism between these two compounds because of same chemical formula but different in structure. Similarly, there is a case of isomerism in cyclic compound. Here it is 1,2-dimethyl cyclopropane, but if there is a chemical compound with 1,1-dimethyl cyclic compound, there will be no isomerism because both carbon are on the same carbon of cyclopropane. Here it is trans 1,2-dimethyl cyclopropane and this one is cis 1,2-dimethyl cyclopropane. Geometric isomerism in alkene compounds. Alkene are those hydrocarbons that contain at least one carbon-carbon double bond. Geometric isomerism is possible in alkene only is because of carbon-carbon double bond, and in this carbon-carbon double bond there is no possibility of rotation, hence it is possible a geometric isomerism in alkene compound. Alkene compounds. This is an example of an alkene compound 2-butene. In this compound there is 4 carbon atom 1, 2, 3, 4 and there is double bond between carbon second and third. So in this there is no possibility of rotation on this carbon atom, that's why there is a possibility of geometric isomerism in this. For example, this one is the trans 2-butene, whereas this is an alkene compound. In this butane structure all the carbon atoms are joined with a single bond, so it is possible there is rotation, and rotation make the compound more stable. Here this methyl group is considered as substituted on these two carbon, then there will be a steric strain between this carbon and this carbon and there will be rotation like this and structure will become like this, so that steric strain between this carbon and this carbon reduced to minimum, and because of this there will be no geometric isomerism, because in this case all these carbon are act as a straight single chain carbon atom and it is not under geometric isomerism. So for geometric isomerism carbon-carbon double bond is necessary, like this in 2-butene. This is trans 2-butene. If this carbon comes over here and the hydrogen comes over here, then these two molecules of methyl come closer and become cis-2-butene. All alkenes do not show geometric isomerism. Alkene having carbon-carbon double bond, when each double bonded carbon is attached to different atom or groups, show geometric isomerism. For example, propene does not show isomers because a carbon of propene have two same atom, that is, here atomic model of propene, first carbon, second carbon, third carbon, so on first and second carbon there is double bond, so propene. On the first carbon there is two same group atom, that is hydrogen. On second carbon this is methyl and it's a hydrogen, so two different group. But on first carbon two same group, so geometric isomerism is not possible with geometric isomerism are possible with the cyclic compounds. There is single bond between the carbon atom of a cyclic compound that cannot be rotated, so geometric isomerism are also possible with the cyclic compound, because when they get rotated, cyclic compound will break down. So it is possible to have isomers in cyclic compound. Condition is that there must be other group except hydrogen on carbon of the ring, and it must be on the different carbon atom of the ring. If the different group are on the same carbon atom, then there will be no isomers. For example, 1,1-dimethyl cyclopropane do not show any geometric isomerism because both are on the same carbon atom, they do not form any geometric isomerism. Whereas cis and trans geometric isomerisms are possible with 1,2-dimethyl cyclopropane. Here the group is on the same carbon atom, methyl group, so there is no isomers. In this case, 1,2-dimethyl cyclopropane, there is the possibility of two isomer when on these two groups are on the same side, they are cis 1,2-dimethyl cyclopropane. When they are on the opposite side, they are trans 1,2-dimethyl cyclopropane. This can be explained with the model of cyclopropanes. This is 1,1-dimethyl cyclopropane. Here 1, 2, 3, these three carbon make cyclopropane, and this methyl group and this methyl group are substituted on first carbon on same carbon, so this compound is 1,1-dimethyl cyclopropane, and it do not show any geometric isomerism because other two carbon atom has same hydrogen. If it is exchanged with the second carbon atom, now this is 1,2-dimethyl cyclopropane, so it shows geometric isomerism, and this one is trans 1,2-dimethyl cyclopropane. This one, when this methyl compound has been replaced by this is cis 1,2-dimethyl cyclopropane, this methyl group on the same side, so this geometric isomerism is cis 1,2-dimethyl cyclopropane. Among these two isomerism, trans 1,2-dimethyl is more stable than this cis 1,2-dimethyl cyclopropane, because in this case two bulkyl group are on the same side, they have steric repulsion or strain between these two methyl groups, so it is less stable than 1,2-dimethyl trans cyclopropane. This structure is 1,2-dimethyl cyclopropane, and this structure is trans because these two methyl are on the opposite side. This one is this side upside and this one is lower side below this plane of cyclopropane. So this structure is more stable than cis 1 or cis isomer of 1,2-dimethyl cyclopropane, because these two methyl group are on the opposite sides far away from each other in comparison to cis isomer. Steric strain between these two methyl group is minimum, so trans 1,2-dimethyl cyclopropane is more stable than cis 1,2-dimethyl cyclopropane.